Hello, all. I'm Sivaramakrishnan. I'm a software professional, work in Wipro, and I'm from Chennai. What I wanted to tell you is, whatever our ancestors have been doing till now, like in the past, was either aiding the nature or at least not destroying it. But the advent of technology and all these steps, what we have been doing now is, whatever we do in some way or other, it is affecting our environment. All the greenery around us, no, it's a gift given by God, and we should make best use of it. So, like all the cutting of trees and destroying trees or building roads and factories should be stopped, and the conversion of agricultural lands to industrial areas should also not happen. All these things are affecting us by creating holes in the ozone, and we all know what UVA and UVB rays can do to us. Another important thing that we should not do is use plastics. Plastics are non-biodegradable, and when we use them and dispose it off, it just goes in the land and it does not decompose at all, like even for thousands of years. So we should not use plastics, and we should use paper bags, jute bags instead. And all things which are made in plastics should be reused as much as possible, or we should reduce the usage of plastic, and then all plastics which have been used already should be recycled into something good. And one more thing which I want to tell you is the smoke coming from all the motor vehicles. All these vehicles go into the atmosphere and cause several damage, causing greenhouse effect, which increases the normal temperature of this environment, and in turn it uses all the water supplies, and we don't have enough water to use, and this disrupts the cycle, the nature's cycle. So we should take care that all our vehicles are kept under check for less smoke, and we should not pollute the air by that means. So this is all I wanted to tell, and we should take a oath that we should, each and every one of us, should take a oath that we should not be using up Earth's resources lavishly, and we have to take care that we leave something good for our future generations. Thank you.